Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell Ethereum on the Coinbase app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to sell the Ethereum, tap onto the search bar at the top and type Ethereum just like this and search for it. Then you can see the pairs of the Ethereum. Now tap onto one to sell just like this. Then here we can find the option of sell button at the bottom. Now simply tap on it. Then here you can find the information about the Ethereum currency, and after adding it you can simply sell it. And that's it. This is how you can sell the Ethereum in the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.